Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? Okay, it's your biology lecture, chapter number 3, and it's lecture for class 8. So open your books, chapter number 3, biodiversity. And today my topic is about impact of human beings on biodiversity. Now, what does biodiversity means? As we discussed in our previous lecture, that different kinds of plants and animals species existing on the earth is called biodiversity. Now, impact of human beings on biodiversity. So first impact is habitat loss. So what does habitat loss means? It means that living place of organism. Habitat, it is the place or area where animals or plants live, and all the species have specific food and habitat needs. Human beings are utilizing land and natural resources and destroying valuable habitats of wildlife. Next impact is deforestation. Now, what is deforestation means? Deforestation, it means that the destruction or removal of plants in an unplanned manner is known as deforestation. And in order to fulfill all the basic needs and requirement of the food, humans are clearing forest and developing agricultural land and residential areas. And as we know that in Pakistan only 5.2% area is under forest, and Pakistan also has highest annual deforestation rate in Asia. And according to a report, forest land have been converted into non-forest land. So it means that the destruction or removal of plant is known as deforestation. Now next is introduction or removal of species. Introduction or removal of species, it means that when a species is introduced or removed in an environment, so it affects the ecosystem. Ecosystem, it means that all the communities which existing in an area is known as ecosystem. It means that ecosystem in which we will discuss about the biotic and abiotic components. So in ecosystem, when a species is introduced or removed, so it will be affect the ecosystem. Now, introduction of new species means that when a new species is introduced in an ecosystem, it may prove harmful for the existence of other species living there. For example, we are having a very common example, eucalyptus trees. They were transported to Pakistan from Australia, and these trees consume more water and have disturbed level of underground water. So other smaller plants cannot grow near these trees. Now, what does removal of a species from the ecosystem? It means that the removal of a species from ecosystem also affect other species. And if I will give you an example of starfish. So in aquatic ecosystem, starfish eats mussels which are harmful to many other species, and if a starfish is removed from that ecosystem, the mussels will increase in number and they will be harmful to other species. So it's a common example. Next is overhunting. What does overhunting means? Overhunting, it means that when a species will be hunted again and again. So overhunting of animal is also a cause of loss of biodiversity. And we also know that in Pakistan, various species are hunted for various purposes such as lizards, snakes, crocodiles, and larger mammals, etc. A large number of migratory birds passing through Chitral are hunted and killed during migration. Now, all these impact of human beings on biodiversity, through which biodiversity will be affected again and again. Next one is rapid industrialization. Rapid industrialization, it means that when the industrial level will be increased in a city, in a country. So overpopulation is the reason of rapid industrialization. So this rapid industrialization has negative impact on biodiversity. The chemical pollutant releases from industries are harmful for species and ecosystem, and it usually harms species which live in small areas. So all these are impacts of human beings on the biodiversity, through which biodiversity are going to be disturbed. Now, what is deforestation? The cutting down of trees from land without proper planning is known as deforestation. Now, causes of deforestation: when extension of cities will be happen. So overpopulation will be take place. Overpopulation, it is the reason of rapid industrialization, and this rapid industrialization has negative impact on biodiversity. We also use forest as timber. We also use wood as timber and fuel wood. And timber mafia also cut the trees for easy cash. So all these are the reasons for the deforestation. Now, what are the effects of deforestation? The main and common effect, soil erosion. Soil erosion, destruction of wildlife habitat. So wildlife will be destroyed by deforestation. So we should plant more and more trees. Next is flooding. So flooding, it is also effect of deforestation. When there will be no tree, so flooding will be take place. And desertification, also effect of deforestation, reduce source of rain. If forest will be not in an area, so what will be happened? It will reduce the source of the rain. There will be a lot of pollution in that environment in which no forests are present. Now, importance of forest. Source of timber. Forest also a source of timber and fuel wood, because they are very much important for us. They are the natural factories for the production of oxygen, because they can absorb carbon dioxide and they will give us oxygen. It can clean our environment, because they are the factories, they are the natural factories for the production of oxygen. They can control flood. They prevent formation of desert, and they also provide a wild habitat for the organisms which live in the forest. So all these, they are the importance of forest. Now, major steps taken for conservation of biodiversity. In Pakistan, the biodiversity has been directly affected by two main factors. First, as we discussed, that deforestation and overhunting. So now different steps taken in Pakistan also. So first one is, the most serious threat faced by Indus River dolphin is the release of polluted water into the sea, which is causing the blindness of the dolphin. So first one step, Indus Dolphin Project, IDP, to conserve safe Indus dolphin. Next is Northern Areas Conservation Project. So Northern Areas Conservation Project, also project on migratory birds. Himalaya Wildlife Project, project on Chiltern Markhor, and they also banned on bear baiting. So all these projects they took for the conservation of biodiversity. So I hope you will be understand. Inshallah, we will meet in our next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.